All right guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna explain the upcoming projects for this summer that we're gonna complete. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so this summer we plan on changing out these last two windows. That's all we have left to change out from the original cabin windows that are really like single pane, terrible windows. So we're gonna change them out pretty soon here. Another project that we badly need to do this year is the oil change on this tractor. It's over 100 hours already and I haven't done the oil. So that'll be the first project basically of this spring. But as you can see around here, it's melted pretty good. We can actually see our gravel driveway now. So it's coming. Another project that we plan to complete this year is putting in a DIY septic system using an IBC tote. As of right now, our gray water system lies behind that snow hill on the bush line. So we plan to excavate over there, bury the IBC tote, and create a leaching field. So my plan for the leach field is gonna be two 4-inch pipes coming out of the IBC tote, but I gotta measure at least 100 feet from the well to where it actually starts draining out of those 4-inch pipes. So I might even go like 120, 130 feet just to be safe, so we're not contaminating our well. So how our gray water system works is the kitchen has a run that goes underground and it tees into the pipes coming from the washroom and the shower. So once those pipes meet up underground, they then run a 4-inch line right out to the tree line. Another exciting project to finish is gonna be my daughter's and my son's wall. We're gonna put a layer of that tinfoil bubble insulation, and then we're gonna side it with 4x8 siding sheets, because I feel like that'll just be the quickest and easiest way. And yeah, stay tuned for that project. So as you can see, there's still way too much snow to do any of these projects. But the first one is gonna be my daughter's wall where we had the frost issue, because that's probably the simplest to accomplish. But as it dries up, we're gonna end up trenching for the septic and the water line, which will be a surprise because we're gonna end up doing a flushable toilet in the shop, which will be a game changer on our homestead. So that'll be it for today's video. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up for the projects coming up this spring and summer. And as always, stay safe, stay warm, and I'll see you all in the next one.